बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning crochet sewing ideas for you guys. These are stunning and very beautiful crochet sewing ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. Ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, and if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. Then I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care guys, always be happy, and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.